Natalie has some rectangular prism-shaped blocks. The height of each block is 5 inches and the length is 9 inches. The table represents the volume of a block against its width. Which equation can Natalie use to find W, the width of a rectangular prism in inches, if she knows the volume B in cubic inches? So if we highlight what we got to avoid any confusion, we see that our height was already given to us and is 5 inches. Our length is 9 inches. And we remember that the volume formula is volume equals length times width times height. So we're given two variables. We're going to solve for the one that we're missing, which is our width. That's what our question in blue says. Find W, the width of a rectangular prism, once you know the volume. So let's write out the formula and see how we can work this out. So if we look at our question again real quick, just to remember what we were being asked, we're asked to find the width of the rectangular prism in inches once we know the volume, which is in cubic inches. So our first step is going to be to write our formula. Our formula for volume equals length times width times height. And we know that we were given the height and the length. The height was 5 and our length was 9. Having said that, we can multiply the 5 and the 9 to get 45, and that'll simplify our equation even further. Now we can divide both sides by 45 to get the W by itself. Once we do that, we end up with volume over 45, or divided by 45, equals W, which is our width, what we're looking for. So that's the right equation. Remember that 45, we got it by multiplying 9 times 5 though. So if we look at our answer choices, we can see the correct answer is letter B. W equals volume divided by 5 times 9.